Hey, what's going on guys, Ars King here for another YouTube video. Today we're going to be installing the Techno center drive shaft for the Slash 4x4. As you can see, it's a good high quality product. So today we're going to be showing you how to install it. This beautiful craftsmanship. Just looks way more nice and it's heavier. It just feels a lot more strong. It sounds a lot stronger too than the stock drive shafts. So yeah, you also get some baggies of hardware, as you can see, some set screws and the actual drive cups. And a nice detail is you obviously get a Techno RC sticker. So yeah, let's get into assembling it. For this upgrade, you're going to need a 2.5 and a 2mm sized hex bits. Because my Slash 4x4 has the upgraded RPM bulkhead, this upgrade is going to be a lot easier. But if you do have the stock bulkhead, you're going to have to remove these two screws. So going to have to remove this screw and this screw. But because I have the upgraded RPM bulkhead, all I have to do is remove these three screws. Now that you've removed those three screws, or in the stock case, those four screws from stock, you're also going to have to remove the screw on the bell crank. So you have 1.5. So yeah, on the front, you're just going to uninstall that 1.5 set screw on the drive shaft. Once you remove that, you can pull away the stock output. Now you're going to get this new output, and you're going to put two of the included O-rings into it, and I like to push them in with the drive shaft. And now you can line it up. One of the sides is threaded and one is not. You can easily tell by looking into it. And now, an important step, use the longer set screw that Techno half or center drive shaft is included with, and use that screw. But before anything, always put Loctite on it, so I'm quickly going to put Loctite on it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. For my Loctite, what I like to do is, another perk of using a paper towel is you just squirt a little bit onto a paper towel below your hardware, and then you can just dip your screw there, and now you take your screwdriver and put your screw onto your screwdriver, and it's ready to be installed. Yeah, just screw it in like any other screw, and there's some excess Loctite. You can just get some paper towel and wipe that off. Now that you've got that in, what I like to do is put the front end back together, and then we'll move on to the back. Now that the front end is back screwed in, you're going to want to remove this screw and this screw. Only two screws on the top, and on the bottom, you're going to want to uninstall this screw and this screw. Then, once you remove those screws, you're just going to want to wiggle the back, and as you can see, it will come off super easily. On the high center of gravity slash, that will be a little harder to remove, but it shouldn't be that much harder. Now I just like to pull out the clutch, or sometimes it will be a center differential depending how your car's set up, and also the center drive shaft. If you remove the center drive shaft while you're taking apart the front, you don't even need to take this piece off, but I just like to do it. So yeah, once you remove that, you're just going to want to unscrew this screw with the two. Once you take that screw off, you can really just easily pull that off, and now you can install this. This is a longer one, and then put some Loctite on this screw like I already showed previously, and screw that on. now that you've finished installing that, again, you're going to insert those 2 O-rings. The kit comes with 4, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Now again, push that in there, and that is complete. Now we're going to put this all back together. Now carefully slide your center drive shaft in. So that's all in. You're just going to slide the rear end back on and drop those screws, and that will be the final product. So as you guys saw, that was a super easy install and modification. One of the more expensive-ish upgrades on the Slash 4x4, but it's definitely going to be worth it. So yeah guys, if this video helped you all out at all, please like, subscribe, turn bell notifications on, and see you in the next one.